Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to move an object using rigid body. Okay, without delay, let's get into it. Okay, in here I'm add a player object and also some planes, some boxes. Okay, plane in player object I make an rigid body. Okay, as you can see, double click here, it will snap it in here. There is also one more thing. Okay, if I move back, if I press F button, then also it will snap into the object that we selected. Okay, already added a rigid body and also player movement script in here. Okay, uh, in, I will open now player movement script. Okay, so opening. Wait a minute. I think it's open. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, it's open now. Let me tell you. No, wait a minute, it's not completely open. Okay, first private rigid body and my rigid body. I named it as my rigid body. Uh, Rigid body is an component, ultimate component. I already put it in here. How if you want to put it, you don't know how to put this. I'm going to show you. Click on add component, then search rigid body. Rigid body. Okay, then it will show up and double click it here. It will add that. Okay, then let's go here. Okay, private. Private means it's a function. See, it will not accessible by other classes. It cannot be accessible by other classes. It's only accessible by this class only. This class only. Okay. I also make private vector 2, vector 3, direction also. Direction is name. Vector 3 is then this using 3 float. I will tell you one minute. Okay. More. Yeah. Okay. Okay, as you can see in here, here x available. As you can see, is right is x, and uh, x, and also y is up, and z is forward. As you can see in here. Okay. Mm, that's vector 3. If you want more about vector 3, I will show you. Wait a minute. Okay. Just a bit. Okay. Okay. X. If you want to snap actually little bit extra, I will add 3.6. I will just add +1. As you can see, snap in here, one plus happen. Okay, that's what is happening. This is a 3 floater, x, y, and z. That's a vector 3. Okay, it's a 3 floats. Okay, direction now. So direction is you can name it anything you want. And I also added a serialized field private float speed. Serialized field means mm, serialized field means it will show in inspector window that okay, it's showing in inspector window that is you can change in inspector window. But if you didn't put serialized field, directly put a private, that will not show up in inspector window. We can't change the value in inspector window. We have to change it in script only, this class only. So for we can change in inspector windows. For that reason we put a serialized field. You can also put only private. I will show you what happened if I put private, public, unmet. If I put directly public, it will also show up. As you can see, wait a minute. It will also show up. Okay, let me show you. Okay, as you can see, it's still showing. I can change in here value also. If I put private now, private now, it will not going to show up now. Wait, it's uploaded. As you can see, it is not going to load up now. Its speed is not showing up. Okay, so for that reason, we cannot be accessible for other classes, and also we want to use editable in the inspector. For that reason, we use serialized file, serialized field private. Hope you understand, guys. uh, Float means you can change the float means a value. Okay, next is now my rigid body is equal to get component my rigid body. My rigid body get component rigid body. It will just get the rigid body in the inspector. In this game object. Okay, direction dot x means solder body is to horizontal means it's also pre-made unity input system. Horizontal is 1 and minus 1 will happen if I press a or d, it will 1 or minus 1. 1 or minus 1. If I press a, it will minus 1, it will become minus 1. So x 3.6 is plus minus 1 it will have. Input manager is you can horizontal, you can see here, it's in here horizontal I Z, and vertical you can see here vertical. I will just copy it in from here, and paste in the input get access. Okay, as you can see, just paste it here. So I paste it here, and also you can name also using your name vertical. Okay, direction x I into horizontal x will be 1 or minus 1, and also z will be also 1 by pressing x 1 or minus 1. Okay, that's how it's work, guys. uh, mm, okay, direction x and direction z also. If I press a and d, a or d, okay, w or s, now fixed up that because it's an physics, rigid body is in physics, so for that reason we use fixed up rate. My rigid body dot velocity plus is equal to direction means the change the direction implemented here means if I direction dot normalized because let me show you. As you can see, it's a middle. If I press a w and s one single time, it will speed is the speed will be a little bit speed compared to only w click. So for removing that, we use normalized speed. And it will know that we are moving time to speed into time to direction. That's all, guys. Let me show you how it's working. I'm in plate. Okay, and as you can see, it's working. Okay, next video I'm going to show you how to it will it's have a problem. If I tap the camera in another position, it will, if I then I press w, still also going same direction that we don't want sometimes. Fix this, how to fix those, to add those things, we show you in next video. I hope you subscribe to my channel for next video.